at the end.
What at the end?
The superhuman bad guys.
All right, I did. You'll see. Here, the first clue is
One of those.
No, it's a game we were just playing.
This.
Nope.
And the attack.
Yep. Turn upside down. See that line?
Is it this way?
No, the line goes at the bottom. Do you know what that is?
You don't have nothing to do with that.
No.
What makes you think it's in the basket?
Me.
Does it have to be in the basket?
I forgot this was in there.
Oh. All right, well, if it's not in the basket, maybe it's...
Near it.
Or... Buddy, I thought the clue was the basket.
I know.
Okay, well,
Ooh.
that took a while.
Like that. Like that. So funny.
What was the clue, buddy?
My bed.
Wasn't there a picture of a teddy bear? The line is at the bottom. Do you know what that is?
It was right.
Good thinking.
Oh, Brian said he took the last two double-A batteries. You didn't take the last two, they're still. I guess I could put them in the remote downstairs. Glad I looked.
Which picture?
Well, here, bud, take another look at this picture. Try to think about which one it is.
It's with a hat.
Where's the picture of you wearing a hat?
There's none.
Yes, there is.
So look at the whole room.
Not just up there.
I have pictures everywhere.
Anybody have a tissue?
You're cold, very cold.
Wait. That's not how you draw it.
What was it?
Simple piece. I saw you go in my room. Uh-oh. Whoa.
Did you look at the picture close enough, buddy? Remember, there's some clues in the pictures.
So. You did this one.
What is
There
it?
more?
No.
Another Ninja Batman.
Remember you saw that and you said you wanted it.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, where's that disc?
It fell down. It's in the box.
Oh yeah, I can see it. I'm
Look at-
taking it out.
Let's get some scissors and open it.